Quick wins. I've ordered this. I believe it's also used on the Astra G. That's what it's listed as because I noticed this crack the other day, and it's discoloured as well, and this is lovely and clear. So I wonder which way around it's supposed to be. But obviously I need to pry it out, and then hopefully we'll have something that looks a bit smarter. Yeah, it's cold and those casualties. When it's cold, plastic doesn't like being buggered about with. Clearly, on the left-hand side is definitely the wrong angle of attack. I have no idea what I'm doing. On this side, you can see that's plastic and that's solid. Is a replacement. Apparently it's a genuine part, but who knows. Anyway, you can see there's a metal sort of spring back on there, which I guess replaces that plastic part. And then that matches. So it looks as though prise from the right hand side, and then you should be able to lift the thing out, and then this should separate from the housing. This will make the Corsa fully restored and worth thousands of pounds. If we push it back in, look at that! Look at that! Nice. And I've just turned the light on. Look at that! It's a look at that. That's a major restoration, that is.